my channel Tricky Notes. Friends, today we will discuss how to find out the unit digit of problems like this. If any question is given like this, like 452 to the power 231, what would be the unit digit? So this is a kind of question which comes most of the time in many exams. So to solve these kind of questions, before that we need to have one simple concept. Let's find out the concept first. Okay, this is what we need to know. These are, let's say n is the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so these are the powers. So 1 to the power 1 is 1 only, 1 to the power 2 is 1 only, 1 to the power 3 is 1 only. So every time 1 is repeating itself. Similarly, every time you will see there are few numbers those who repeat itself most of the times. This is repeating, this is also repeating. I'll tell you how. Okay, so now 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, but the unit digit is 6. The unit digit is 6. Likewise, 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27, but the unit digit is 7. Again, 3 to the power 4 is 81, but the unit digit is 1. Okay. Likewise, 4 to the power 1 is 4, 4 to the power 2 is 16, but the unit digit is 6. Then again we will have 4, then again we will have 6. See, this is something, it repeats after every 2 times. Okay, it repeats after every 2 times. It repeats after every number. This repeats after 4 times. This repeats every time. This repeats every time, like 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5. 7 repeat itself after 4 times. 8 repeat itself after 4 times, and 9 repeat itself after 2 times. So most of the time we can see a number is repeated either every time or 2 times or after 4 times, but it has to repeat after every 4 times. So we need to remember this. So 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 to the power, the unit digit of 2 to the power 1 is equal to the unit digit of 2 to the power 5. The unit digit of, see, the unit digit of 7 to the power 2 is equal to the unit digit of 7 to the power 6. This is 6, this is again n to the power 7, this is n to the power 8, right? So the unit digit of 2 to the power 8 to the power 3 is equal to the unit digit of 8 to the power 7, because it repeats after every 4 times. So if we know this, let's move on to this problem. See, here the question is 452 to the power 231. So we just need to know whether 231 is divisible by 4 or not. See friends, 228 will be divisible by 4 according to the divisibility methods that we have discussed in another video. Okay, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. So 228 is divisible by 4, again 232 will be divisible by 4, but 231 is not divisible by 4. So when 228 is divisible by 4, we have 3 numbers here. The gap is 3. So we have 3 numbers here. So that becomes n to the power 3. And see, the unit digit is 2 here. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, we can see here 2 to the power 3, the unit digit is 8. So the answer is 8. Let me go with one more number. See, 57 to the power 926. See friends, 926. 26 is not divisible by 4. Either 24 is divisible or 28 is divisible. So 24 is divisible by 4. We are left with 2 more. So that becomes n to the power 2. Unit digit is 7. 7 n to the power 2. 7 n to the power 2. The unit digit is 9. So the answer will be 9. So here, like this, you can solve any big number. Any big number is given to you, you can solve the answers. Okay, but before that you need to remember this. This table is mostly required. If you want to remember this table, you can take a screenshot or you can watch the video. You can remember this table. Okay, you can note down also. So by using this method, you can find out any unit digit. Friends, if you have any questions to ask, you can ask us, or if you want to give us any feedback, please comment us. For more videos, subscribe our channel, like and share our videos, press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. Thank you.